Now the third tab is display tab. In display tab you can see the first thing is active display. Over here you can see a yellow border over this first graph because we have selected the first active display. So if you select second active display, it will select display number 2, and likewise you can select any of the display from all these graphs. The next is title. So from this section you can set the title. We have selected active display 3, so we'll give title it as addition. Apply, so it shows the addition. If we select display number 2, so this is how we can give title to each of the graph. So from here you can make these legends visible or invisible. You unclick and apply, the legend will disappear. So from here you can make these legends appear or disappear. You just unclick it, apply, and it will disappear. So if you want to see it again, just click it and apply. So you can see the legends are available now. From here you can turn on this grid, click, apply, the grid disappears, click it back, apply, the grid comes back. So from here you can have the grid control. From here you can set the y minimum limit and y maximum limit. Right now it's -2 and 2. You can see it's -2 and 2. So whatever limits you want to give, you can set it from here. And then finally the y label. From here you can set the label to y-axis. So this is how you can set the amplitude to all these graphs.